Hi children, good morning all. So we can complete the chapter by discussing the remaining part of chapter acids and bases. So we got an idea about what is an acid, what is a base and what are the commonly used indicators. Okay, the detailed study of all these acids and bases in higher classes. Now you have to get an idea, you have to create an idea about what is an acid and what is a base. Okay, the last part of this chapter, that is about the neutralization. So neutral solutions we found. So by using the turmeric indicator and also by using the China rose indicators, we tested some of the these substances which include sugar, salt, etc. So this sugar and salt, they are not showing any character or any change with the indicators. That means they are neither acidic nor basic. There is no basic character or there is no alkaline character. There is no acidic character. This kind of solutions are called neutral solutions. And we can make neutral solution by adding acid with base or base with acid. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Okay, after this neutralization process, we will get salt and water are produced. Okay, and also some amount of heat is also produced out. This is the reaction called a neutralization. Neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base. So after neutralization, when we are testing the solution, there will by using this litmus papers, both red and blue litmus papers, we can see that there is no acidic character and there is no basic character. It is not an acid and it is not a base. Such kind of solutions are called neutral solutions. Here it is an activity in your textbook to identify the process, to study more about the process of neutralization. So in our mind, we studied that neutralization is a process of reaction between acid and base. So here we need one acid and also one base. The acid that we took here, that is a hydrochloric acid. And the base that we took here, that is a sodium hydroxide. And here we are using one indicator that we didn't use so far. Do you know what is the name of the indicator? It is called phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is the indicator. One chemical indicator is there to test the presence of base. There will be no color change for this phenolphthalein in an acidic solution. There is no color change, but it shows color change. That is, it shows a pink color when we are adding this phenolphthalein in a base or basic solution. Okay, let's see what is that activity. Please open the link given below and observe and watch the video to know more about neutralization. Okay.